Viewers, today we're looking at the substring function in Mysql Workbench. First of all, we start with select, spacebar, then control space, page down to the substring function. There we go. We're going to use the world database, and we're going to select the name column in the city table. We're going to select the first character, and from the first character we're selecting 3 characters, and enter from city, which is the table, and to see what the full city name looks like, I'm going to enter name, come and separate it so you can see that along the side. Run that, and as you can see, the city names on the left below, and the strings pulling out the first 3 characters of the string on the right. And that's a substring function within Mysql Workbench.